guys. I'm back, and I'm going to a camp called Camp Champions this summer. And if you go there, you get this package, and I'm going to show you like an unboxing of the package to see what's in it. So let me go and get scissors. There's no scissors in here. Go away! Sorry. My sister's friend is here, and she's real annoying. Got some scissors. Hello! What's that? Close. Okay, so here it is. I don't know where it says it. See, look, that's my name, Preston Alcott. I told you the other day. Yeah. So, I'm going to put. Okay. So now that we know where we are. Got my scissors. Just get over it. There. Now it's open. Okay. So I got this bag. Let's see what's in there. Go away, Eva. Please go away. Got like a book. Say no. What is this? It's a map. Map. Here. Whoa! I got a Camp Champions water bottle. Uh-huh. Camp Champions. There's something in it. What the is that? Got chapstick. Put some chapstick. I got a Sharpie. Now I don't need to use yours anymore. Oh, that's it. So, oh, wait, there's a note. Hey, Preston, sir. I am so excited that you have decided to come to camp this summer for the first time. You rock. We have spent all year making sure camp is perfect for when you arrive. I cannot wait for you to get here. I hope you have a wonderful school year, and I cannot wait to hang out this summer. Get ready for the best summer ever filled with fun and friends. Best wishes, JB, sir. So, this guy's from, wait, where's he from?
England.
Huh?
England.
Oh, so this guy is from England. So he usually says sir. So yeah. So I have a map, got a book, Camp Champions water bottle. That's pretty cool. I'm really glad that I got this chapstick because I don't have much of that. So nothing else. That was what. Yeah. Oh, Okay, so that was the video. I hope you liked it. You got all this cool stuff, including chapstick, water bottle, got a book.
No.
Camp Champions Camper Guide. Wait, Camp Champions Camper Camp Guide. So yeah, that's all. Can't believe you know I wanted a Sharpie and chapstick. So that was the video. I hope you liked it. You can ask your parents if you would like to go to Camp Champions this summer, and if you do, hope you have a good time there, and I'll see you there. It would be really cool seeing a YouTuber in front of you, right?